Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we will need to open up Settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System, choose Reset Options, and then select Erase All Data. It gives us a quick information that Erase All Data erases all data, who would have thought. So if you keep anything on your phone that you'd like to preserve, do make a copy of it somewhere else. Otherwise it will be completely removed. But assuming you have already done so, or you just simply don't want to, you can select Erase All Data, do so once more. If you have some kind of screen like, you might need to confirm it. But other than that, it should go straight to resetting, which will take a couple minutes to finish up, so just be patient. Once the process is finished, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.